Top 4. Best seed to flush out toxins and repair kidneys fast. What if I told you that some of the smallest foods in your kitchen could help flush toxins from your body and support your kidneys to repair faster? Seeds may look tiny, but they are full of power. Inside each seed is everything needed to grow a new plant. That's why seeds are packed with nutrients that your kidneys truly need to stay healthy. Seeds are rich in fiber, which helps your body remove waste and toxins more easily. They also contain healthy fats that support blood flow and reduce inflammation. Plus, seeds provide important vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help protect kidney cells from damage. When you choose the right seeds and eat them the right way, they can help balance blood sugar, lower bad cholesterol, and support healthy blood pressure. All key factors for strong, well-functioning kidneys. Watch this video until the end, because I'll show you how to use these seeds correctly, so you don't just eat them, you actually get the real kidney benefits from them. 1. Flax seeds. Flax seeds, also called linseeds, are one of the best seeds you can add to your diet if you want to support kidney health. They are small, but they carry a powerful mix of fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants that help your body clean itself from the inside. One of the biggest benefits of flax seeds is their high fiber content. Fiber helps your digestive system work better, which means waste and toxins can leave your body more easily. When your gut works well, your kidneys don't have to work as hard to filter toxins from the blood. This is very important for long-term kidney support. Flax seeds are also rich in omega-3 fats, especially a type called ALA, or alpha-linolenic acid. Omega-3 fats are known to reduce inflammation in the body. According to health sources like Healthline and Medical News Today, omega-3s can help protect blood vessels and support heart health. This matters because healthy blood flow helps your kidneys receive enough oxygen and nutrients to function properly. However, there is one key thing many people don't know. The omega-3 fats in flax seeds are trapped inside a hard outer shell. Our bodies cannot fully digest whole flax seeds. That means if you eat them whole, many of the nutrients may pass through your body without being absorbed. This is why experts recommend eating ground flax seeds instead of whole ones. Flax seeds are also one of the richest sources of lignans. Lignans are plant antioxidants that help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Research shared by trusted nutrition sources shows that lignans, together with fiber and omega-3 fats, may help lower bad cholesterol levels and support healthy blood pressure. Both of these factors are closely linked to kidney health. In terms of nutrition, flax seeds provide protein, magnesium, manganese, and vitamin B1. Magnesium is especially helpful because it supports muscle function, blood pressure control, and proper nerve signals, all important for people who want to protect their kidneys. Most experts suggest 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed per day. This amount is considered safe and effective for most people. Eating much more than that is not recommended, as very high amounts of fiber may cause stomach discomfort and could stress the kidneys if hydration is poor. Because flax seeds absorb water, it is important to drink enough fluids when you add them to your diet. This helps prevent constipation and allows fiber to do its job smoothly. Another good point is that flax seeds are considered low in oxalates. This makes them a safer option for people who are prone to calcium oxalate kidney stones, especially when compared to some other seeds. In short, when used the right way, ground flax seeds can help reduce inflammation, support detox, and make your kidneys' job a little easier every day. 2. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are very similar to flax seeds, and for good reason. These tiny seeds are packed with fiber, omega-3 fats, and important minerals that help your body stay balanced and support kidney health over time. One of the biggest benefits of chia seeds is their extremely high fiber content. Fiber helps slow digestion and supports healthy bowel movements. When waste leaves your body more smoothly, fewer toxins stay in your bloodstream. This reduces the workload on your kidneys and helps them function more efficiently. Chia seeds are also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids. Like flax seeds, these healthy fats help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is closely linked to kidney damage, high blood pressure, and heart disease. Trusted health sources such as Healthline note that omega-3 fats can support blood vessel health, which is essential for proper kidney filtration. In terms of nutrients, chia seeds provide plant-based protein, vitamin B1, magnesium, and manganese. Magnesium plays a key role in blood pressure control and muscle relaxation. Keeping blood pressure stable is one of the most important steps in protecting your kidneys, especially if you are at risk for kidney disease. Chia seeds also contain antioxidant polyphenols. These antioxidants help protect kidney cells from oxidative stress, which happens when harmful molecules damage healthy tissue. Over time, oxidative stress can weaken kidney function, so antioxidant-rich foods like chia seeds can offer extra protection. However, chia seeds must be eaten the right way. These seeds can absorb up to 15 times their weight in water. If you eat them dry or without enough liquid, they can swell inside your digestive system. This may lead to bloating, dehydration, or digestive blockage, all of which can put extra stress on your kidneys. That's why hydration is extremely important when eating chia seeds. Experts recommend soaking them in water for at least 10 to 15 minutes before eating, or adding them to foods like oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies, where liquid is already present. Drinking enough water throughout the day is also essential. Portion control is another key point. While chia seeds are healthy, eating too much can increase your intake of phosphorus and oxalates. For kidney support, most experts suggest about 1 tablespoon per day. This amount provides benefits without overloading the kidneys. If you have a history of kidney stones or advanced kidney disease, chia seeds can still be included, but moderation and proper hydration are critical. When used carefully, chia seeds can help support digestion, reduce inflammation, and make your kidneys' job easier, not harder. Before we continue, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel for more simple tips to protect your kidneys and improve your health. If you have any questions or problems with your kidneys, leave a comment below. I read them all, and your question may help someone else too. And I'm really curious, where are you watching from, and how old are you? Drop it in the comments and let's support each other on this health journey. 3. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are one of the oldest seeds used by humans, and they are still popular today for a good reason. You can find them in sesame oil, tahini, sesame milk, or sprinkled on food. These tiny seeds may look simple, but they contain many powerful nutrients. Sesame seeds provide healthy fats, plant protein, essential amino acids, vitamins, and strong antioxidants. Two important compounds found in sesame seeds are sesamin and sesamol. According to research shared by trusted health sources, these compounds help reduce inflammation and protect cells from oxidative stress. Lower inflammation is important for kidney health. When inflammation stays high for a long time, it can slowly damage kidney tissue. Antioxidants in sesame seeds help protect the heart, liver, and kidneys by reducing this damage. Some studies also suggest sesame compounds may help lower cholesterol and support healthy blood vessels, which improves blood flow to the kidneys. Sesame seeds may also support skin health, hearing, and slow signs of aging. Early lab studies even suggest they may help fight cancer cells, though more human research is still needed. While scientists continue to study how well the body absorbs these nutrients, sesame seeds remain a nutritious and tasty food when used correctly. However, sesame seeds are not safe for everyone, especially people with kidney problems. One major concern is oxalates. Sesame seeds are extremely high in oxalates, which can increase the risk of calcium oxalate kidney stones. If you have a history of kidney stones, sesame seeds are often listed as a food to avoid or strictly limit. Sesame seeds are also high in phosphorus and potassium. Phosphorus is especially risky for people with stage 3 to stage 5 chronic kidney disease. Too much phosphorus can weaken bones and harm blood vessels. Potassium levels in sesame seeds are moderate, but they can add up quickly if eaten often. Another issue is phytates, which can block the absorption of important minerals. Roasting sesame seeds can reduce phytates, but it does not remove oxalates or phosphorus. So how should sesame seeds be used? For healthy individuals, 1 to 2 tablespoons a day can support heart and kidney health as part of a balanced diet. For people who form kidney stones, it is best to avoid sesame seeds or eat very small amounts. If consumed, pairing them with calcium-rich foods like yogurt or milk may help bind oxalates in the gut. For those with advanced kidney disease, Sesame seeds should only be eaten after speaking with a dietitian. Due to their high phosphorus content, they are usually considered a limit food. In short, sesame seeds can be helpful, but only when used carefully and in the right situation. For kidney health, how much and who eats them matters just as much as the seed itself. 4. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are small, but they offer powerful health benefits. They are rich in fiber, healthy fats, amino acids, and strong antioxidants such as vitamin E, tocopherols, and carotenoids. These nutrients help protect the body from inflammation and support overall wellness. Studies shared by trusted health sources show that pumpkin seeds may help manage blood sugar levels, support heart health, and protect the liver. They also have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects, which can reduce low-grade inflammation in the body. Lower inflammation means less stress on the kidneys over time. Pumpkin seeds are also known for their positive effects on mood and mental health. Some research suggests they may help reduce symptoms of depression by supporting brain chemicals that regulate mood. They also support digestion and help protect the stomach lining, reducing the risk of ulcers. All of these benefits help the body work more efficiently, allowing the kidneys to do their job with less strain. Another important benefit is their high content of zinc and magnesium. Pumpkin seeds are one of the best plant sources of zinc, which supports immune function and tissue repair. Magnesium plays a key role in kidney protection by helping prevent the buildup of calcium in the kidneys and blood vessels. This can lower the risk of kidney calcification and long-term damage. The antioxidants in pumpkin seeds, especially vitamin E and carotenoids, help protect the nephrons, the tiny filtering units inside the kidneys. By reducing oxidative stress in these filters, pumpkin seeds can support healthier kidney function. However, pumpkin seeds are a double-edged sword for people with advanced kidney disease. They are high in phosphorus and potassium, two minerals that many CKD patients must limit. Just 1 ounce or about 2 tablespoons contains roughly 330 to 350 milligrams of phosphorus. The body absorbs about half or more of plant-based phosphorus, which can raise blood phosphorus levels. The same small serving also contains 220 to 250 milligrams of potassium, which can add up quickly on a restricted diet. Because of this, people on a renal diet should not eat pumpkin seeds as a large snack. Instead, they should limit portions to 1 tablespoon, used as a topping on salads or meals rather than eaten by the handful. Another key point is sodium. Many store-bought pumpkin seeds are heavily salted. Too much sodium raises blood pressure, which is one of the biggest enemies of kidney health. Always choose raw or dry roasted, unsalted pumpkin seeds. For people with healthy kidneys, pumpkin seeds can be enjoyed more freely. About 1/4 cup per day is a nutritious snack that supports heart, immune, and kidney health. Pumpkin seeds also support bladder and prostate health. By reducing pressure in the urinary tract, they help urine flow more easily. This indirectly reduces stress on the kidneys and supports smoother kidney function. In summary, pumpkin seeds are highly nutritious and protective. But for kidney health, portion size and preparation make all the difference. As you can see, protecting your kidneys doesn't always require expensive supplements or complicated plans. Sometimes it starts with small, smart food choices. Flax seeds help reduce inflammation and support detox. Chia seeds improve digestion and make your kidneys' job easier. Pumpkin seeds provide zinc and magnesium to protect kidney filters. And sesame seeds, when used carefully, offer strong antioxidants and heart support. The key message is simple. The right seeds, in the right amount, can help flush toxins and support kidney repair over time. But portion size, preparation, and your kidney condition always matter. Your kidneys work for you every single day. When you give them better fuel, they can work more efficiently and last longer. If this video helped you understand how seeds can support kidney health, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple science-backed kidney tips. Leave a comment below if you have questions or want to share your experience. I read every comment, and don't forget to share this video with someone who may need to protect their kidneys today. Take care of your kidneys now. They are counting on you.